Okay, so there's a oil cooler. It's got like little pins around that O-ring. Alright. So I'll try to do my best. It's not a real good picture, I'm sorry. Around there, put rubber grease around it. Yep. And what it will do, it'll go up in here. Let's sit on that face. But before that, there's a bolt. Jeez, I'm on the ground here at the moment. That's it. Put rubber grease on it. I coat heaps on it. That goes in. I think it's the 17mm head on it. I took the starter motor out to make it a lot easier, but that cooler was leaking and the O-rings go on them all the time. Starter motor's easy to undo. 2 bolts and positive and trigger wire for the start a solenoid, but disconnect the battery and get them O-rings. You can get them from a bearing place or something like that. If you get the orange one, they're heat resistant and oil, but it's up to you what you use. I just use these. They're easy to get hold of. It's an easy job. And yeah, the bolt will go up the middle of that. I can get it like that. Oh, well, sometimes you do these jobs and hold the camera. Anyway, you get the drift. And then that bolt goes up there. It's not even in. There we go. Bolt's sticking through the other side now. You see it turning. Lift it up into place and screw it on and push it in. You're gonna know quick. Watch them hoses and cables and crap getting in your way. Anyway, you're gonna know quick if it leaks, real quick.